Assalamu alaikum dear students, I hope everybody is fine. I am Dr. Liwes and you are watching YouTube channel A-Level Camps. In this question we are given a quartic polynomial, and if we rewrite it you can see so student P and Q are the real numbers having the root alpha, 3 alpha, beta and minus beta. What we have to do, we have to find alpha beta using the coefficient of x square and x. So student, the relation between the roots and the coefficient of the polynomial we can write four alpha, because when you will add the all you will get 4 alpha. So you can write alpha is minus p by 4. By taking the product of two roots you will get 0, and it can be written as 3 alpha square. Alpha beta and alpha beta will be balanced, and 3 alpha beta and minus 3 alpha beta will be balanced, and lastly you have minus beta square. You can write 3 alpha square is equal to beta square. Understand? Now by taking the coefficient of x you will have, if I take the product of three roots I will get 3 alpha square beta by taking the product of these three. The next will be minus 3 alpha square beta, and lastly minus 3 alpha beta square. These two will be balanced and we have minus 3 alpha beta. Minus 3 alpha beta square imply alpha beta square is minus. So you have these three possibilities. So student, beta square is equal to 3 alpha square, we will get 3 alpha square, alpha equal to minus 4, alpha cube is, one more root please from here, minus alpha beta square. So you have minus 4 alpha beta square, and from here you have 3, you have 3 minus 1, alpha cube is minus 1. So student, you can write alpha is minus 1. We are given that roots are real. So the only possible value for the alpha is minus 1. If alpha is minus 1, then you can write alpha beta square minus 3 imply beta square is 3 and beta is square root 3. So student, alpha is minus 1, beta is square root 3. Okay. In the next part, P4 we have to find Q. By sum of alpha we have 4 alpha is equal to P. Alpha is minus 1, so imply P equal to minus 4. Sorry, equal to minus P, so P equal to 4. So we have find the value of P and also have to find the value of Q. So the product of all the roots, when you take the product, you have 3 alpha square beta square minus time is equal to Q. Alpha is minus 1, beta square is 3, imply Q equal to minus 9. Understand? Q is minus 9. In the next part we are given that use y equal to x minus k and choose k be any suitable constant. So student, find the cubic equation in y with the roots minus 2 alpha, beta minus 3 alpha, minus beta minus 3 alpha. So you can observe here, when you take x equal to alpha, because this equation has alpha, 3 alpha, beta and minus beta roots. So what will be the k? If you choose k equal to 3 alpha, take x equal to alpha, you will get minus 2 alpha. When you take 3 alpha you will get 0. When you take beta, you will get beta minus 3 alpha and beta minus 3 alpha. So you can say here choose k equal to 3 alpha. So y equal x minus 3 alpha. So student, we are given that the three roots, so imply the cubic equation is y minus 2 alpha, y minus beta plus 3 alpha and y plus beta plus 3 alpha. So student, when you will substitute the value of alpha and beta here, you will get y, or you can rewrite it as y plus 2, y minus square root 3 minus 3, alpha is minus 1, and y plus square root 3 minus 3. Okay, you will have here 2, y minus 2, because we have to subtract the root from the y. So y minus beta plus 3 alpha and y plus that one. So students, simplify it, you will get, firstly multiply these two factors, the other two factors, you will get y square root minus 3 and then you will minus 3 minus 3. These two will be balanced. It is a minus b, and if you take minus common here, you have a plus b and a minus b. So you can write it as a square minus b square. Understand? You can rewrite simplification give us this is your answer. So all the three parts are solved. Question is easy but little bit tricky. For any further assistance you can contact on our WhatsApp number. See you again. Allah Hafiz.